How to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Gen 1 to an HP laptop with Windows 10, and we're starting now. So first things first, you want to go ahead and go into the main startup menu to the bottom left section right there. Go ahead and click on that one time. And when you do that, you'll see that gear icon that says settings right there. So click on that one time. And when you do that, you'll see this window that shows up saying Windows settings, and you'll go to where it says devices. So click on that one time. Then this window will open up. You'll see the on and off switch for your Bluetooth, and you should have a working Bluetooth adapter. Do check your device manager settings if it's not there. So go ahead and turn that on. And then you'll go ahead and select the option to the top where it says add Bluetooth or other device. So as you click that, you'll notice a black window opens up. You'll see the option Bluetooth. Click on that. And then it'll start searching for nearby capable Bluetooth devices. And while it's doing that, next up on your Samsung Galaxy Buds, just go ahead and make sure, of course, these things have some battery life in them before pairing them. But go ahead and just open up the case like this. And when you see a green light, it means your battery status is pretty much okay and in pairing mode. So with that said and done, you should see Galaxy Buds show up underneath where it says add a device. Go ahead and click on that one time. It's going to run the connection process for you. And in some cases, you might get this message that pops up to the right bottom that says we're setting up your device, and wait for that to finish until it says your device is ready to use. And then you can always check up on the audio section here and just to see that it's actually there. And if you see that, that's great. And then you can also go ahead and check on the volume icon section to the bottom right. Click on it one time. You will see a few other options. You'll see the volume rocker. You'll see the headphones here. Click on that once right there. That section here, click on it, and then you'll see three other options. You can toggle between your Galaxy Buds or the computer's speaker, or actually have it set as a mic, and that also depends on the app that you're using it with. And of course, if you have any difficulties or issues, do leave it in the comments section. I'll do my best to assist you. And other than that, do like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you are new to my channel, and thanks for watching.